Hi everyone, I'm T. Ramesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Dr. SNS, College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. So quantitative techniques from this topic, we have discussed the sequencing problem, n jobs, three machines. Already in the previous lecture series video, we discussed a sequencing problem of n jobs with two machines. Now continuously, we discuss the sequencing problem, n jobs with three machines. So now we consider the n jobs and the three machines. Find the sequence that optimization the total elapsed time required to complete the following tasks on the machines in order 1, 2, 3, so on. Find also the minimum total elapsed time and the idle time of each machines. Here the tasks are A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And it's a time duration task on M1, M2, M3, all are given. Suppose we take task A, it is on machine 1, it takes duration 3 hours. And the same task is on M2, machine 2, it takes durations 4 hours. And similarly, the task put on the task on A, it takes 6 hours. Likewise, other tasks on all other three machines. Now we consider the total elapsed time and the idle time of each machines. So what is total elapsed time? The machine start the time duration between the starting time of first machine and it's completing all the jobs on second machine, third machine. Then what is the time gap between the initial start the job to end one? That is total elapsed time. In this duration of elapsed time, when the machine is idle, that is called idle time of each machines. Now we got what is the total elapsed time and idle time of each machine. So first we take the sequencing order, but there are three machines. We convert these three machines to two machines and with also the same jobs. So first we write the task or the job A to G and we combined the job M1 and M2. Machine M1 and M2, it is also H. So we add the two, that is 7, 11, 9, 9, 10, 12 and 10. And similarly, we add machine 2 and machine 3, it is called it as K. So after adding that, the time duration is 10, 10, 7, 16, 6, 10, and 15. Okay. So what is the order of cancellations? First, among these all the working, which time duration is minimum? Okay. So 7, 10, 11, 10, 9, 7, 9, 16, 10, 6, 12, 10, 10, 15. Among these all the time duration, which time is minimum? Here 7, 1 7 and also the another 7. Two sevens are here, but this first 7 is on machine H. The second 7 is the same 7 is on machine K after K. Therefore, we take first order. So we take first order of the task A. So put it in the left side. So, but 7 is first one, but the 6 hours is there here. But it is on machine A. So, which it is possible 7 and 6. Which one is minimum duration? 6 hours is duration, but it is on second machine. Therefore, we take this job E assigned to the right side of the sequence. Okay, so we put it E. Therefore, it is first cancellation. Put it its right side E. We take the H, it is left side. We take K, it is right in the right side. Therefore, 6 is minimum. Therefore, we take the first task E. Therefore, we put it on right side. Next 7 is next minimum. But it is taken in the H machine. Therefore, put it in the left side. Therefore, we assign the task on left side first. And the second is 7 is here. Therefore, we take the next job task is C, but it's a third cancellation. But C is on right side. Therefore, we put it the right side. Next job is 9, 9. Both nines are there, but already C is assigned. Therefore, we cancel this C, but this 9 is there. So it is in the left side. Therefore, put it D in the left side. Then cancel that. What is the next job? The minimum time duration is 15. But it is not 15, so it is some 10 G here. It's 10. Therefore, we assign this job. So 5 hours duration, so put it that here. So likewise, we consider all the sequences. Therefore, it's the optimum. Finally, we get optimum sequences EAD, BF, BC, E. Okay, now we find what is the total elapsed time and what is the ideal time of each machines. So first we put it the job sequence A, D, G, F, B, C, E, and what is the time. We start the work in 0 hours and we assign the job on machine 1 from 0 hours and it's complete the work within 3 hours. So therefore time out on machine 1 is 3 hours. After that it takes the second machine for further work. So after 3 hours it will start, then it time duration is 4 hours. So 3 plus 4, 7 hours. Then it take to the third machine to the job. So after 7 hours, we will start the work. And the time duration for task A on machine 3 is 6 hours. So 7 plus 6, 13. Okay, so the 8 tasks on machine 1, yeah, machine 2, machine 3, we already completed. And the next we take the task D on machine 1. But the machine 1 is running up to 3 hours. After 3 hours, we'll start the work. But the task on M1, task on D on M1 is 4 hours. So after the 3 hours, we start. So 3 plus 4, 7 hours. Then it take to the second machine to work. But second machine is running up to third hours. After that, we start the next work. So 7 hours plus the time duration is 12 because the time duration on machine 2 for the task D is 5 hours. So 7 plus 5, 12 hours. Then after 12 hours, we'll start, but already the machine is running. Third machine is running 13 hours. Still it is running up to 13 hours. After 13 hours, we'll start the next work. Therefore, even if it is 12 hours completed, but the machine 3 is running. Therefore, after 13 hours, we start the work. So 13 and the time durations on task D on machine 3 is 11 hours. So 13 plus 11, 24. Next, we take the next job 7 because the 7 hours after 7 hours will start. 7 plus the time duration is 7. So 14 hours. After that, 14 hours will start. And time duration is 3 hours. So 17. Then we take the then we take it to on machine 3, but still machine 3 is up to running. After 24 hours, we will start the work. Therefore, after 24 hours, we start the task G on machine 3. So 24 plus time duration is 12 hours. So 36. Next, we take job F. It start 14 hours because the previous job is still running 14 hours. After 14 hours, we'll start the work. So 14 plus 8 hours duration. So 14 plus 8 is 22. Then after 20 hours, we will start, but the machine is running. Previous running is 17 hours, but it does not matter because it is a extra time. Therefore, 22 plus time duration is 4 hours. So 26 hours, it completes the job. But we take this after 26 hours, we take this task on machine 3, but still machine 3 is running 36 hours. After 36 hours, we start the work. So 36 plus time duration is 6 hours, therefore it is 42. Next, we take the job B on machine 1. Machine 1 still running is 22 hours. After 22 hours, we'll start. So 22 plus time duration is 8 hours. So 22 plus 8, 30. Then after 30 hours, we take the job to machine 2. So 30 hours and time duration is 3. So 30 plus 3 is 33. Next, we take this job on machine 3, but still machine 3 is running. After 42 hours, we'll start the next job here. Therefore, 33 and 42. Therefore, after 42, we start the work here. So 42 plus time duration is 7 hours. So 42 plus 7, 49. Next we take the G toss on machine 1. Machine 1 time duration is 30 here. So 30 plus and the task duration is 7 hours. So 30 plus 7, 37. Next, we take this toss on machine 2, 37 plus time duration is 2 hours. So 39. Then we take to machine 3, but still machine 3 is running here. After 49 hours, we'll start the work. So 49 plus and the duration is 6 hours. 49 plus 6 is 54. Okay. Next, the job E. E is assigned. So the E is assigned on machine 1 after 37 hours. And the time duration is 9 hours. So 37 plus 9, 46. Then we take 2 on machine 2 is 46. And the time duration on machine 2 is for job E is 1 hour. Therefore, 46 plus 1, 47. And it take to machine 3. But still machine 3 is running. So after 54 hours, it will start the work. So 54 plus time duration on task E, time duration for job E on machine 3 is 5 hours. Therefore, 54 plus 5, 59. So complete all the work. So what is total elapsed time? The time start from 0 up to end the time is 49. it is called the total elapsed time. So therefore the total elapsed time is 59 hours. So what is the idle time of machine 1? So when machine 1 is idle, it starts 0 hours and is continuously running. Then after 46 hours, it will not work. But the total elapsed time is 59, and the machine is only run up to 46 hours. Therefore, 59 minus 46 is 13 hours. Then the idle time of machine 1 is 13 hours. Similarly, the idle time of machine 2, after 3 hours, the machine 2 will start because the first work is completed on M1, then it take the M2. So on that case, M2 is still idle. Therefore, the idle time of machine 2 is 3 hours, and it is not continuous running because here 12 and then after 12 hours, then it start 14 hours. Therefore, 2 hours here it is idle, and here it is 5 hours idle, and also here 4 hours idle, and 33, 37, 4 hours idle, 39, 46, here it is 7 hours idle, and 47, it will not, after 47, it will not work, but the duration is 59 minus 50, 59 minus 54 is 5 hours also. So sorry, 47. So 59 minus 47 is it is some 12 hours. Therefore, we add all these hours, then it is idle. Suppose 37 hours, the machine 2 will be idle. Now, what is idle time of machine 3? The machine 3 start its initial work after 7 hours, and then it is continuously running. Therefore, the idle time of machine 3 is 7 hours. So these are all the way to calculate how order the sequence of the each jobs, and how find the total elapsed time of all the machines and idle time of all the machines. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching this. Thank you.